Tellagami. What is it? Tellagami is an application for iPads and iPhones only with the iOS 10 software that allows the user to create and share 30-second animated videos. They are called Gamis. What is for? Users can create an avatar designing the clothing, voice, and appearance of choice. Even if at home or in the classroom, students, teachers, and parents can use the tool to do any short videos. How to build a Gami? First, open the Tellagami app. You can see on the bottom more details about the application, such as the privacy definitions and contacts. To start creating your avatar, click on the option Create. You'll be given 3 menu options. You can begin by clicking on Character, which gives you the possibility to create your own Gami's features, such as body characteristics like the gender or skin tone, and wardrobe from head to toes. On the emotion icon, you can choose a mood for your character and move him or her wherever you want. To choose a nice scenario, you have multiple options on background. You can either choose from the app's background on the Packs button, from the ones that are free, upload an image from your camera or library, or even draw one by clicking on Doodle. To add some extra life to your avatar, you can record your voice or add some dialogue by selecting the option Voice or Type. If you do not want that, you can just preview your character's actions. By clicking on Text, you have many name options for your Gami's avatar, like Emma, Akiko, or Kylie, for example. After you finish all of the features, save your Gami and then you can share it on social media. Suggestions for activities for different disciplinary areas. The Tellagami app can be used for different content areas and grade levels. Teachers can create Gamis that list students' homework, review a lesson, solve math problems, or give tips and hints for projects. Students can explain the scientific concepts, create a short script, and give their opinion on a subject. In the English classroom, students to develop reading fluency skills, learning vocabulary, or create a book report can use Tellagami. In the classroom, the teacher introduces and demonstrates Tellagami app. Students read a text given by the teacher and record self with Tellagami. Gamis done by students are shown to the whole class. Students reflect and give their opinion about the work their colleagues did. Necessary resources. You need an iPad or an iPhone. Advantages. Creating these animations is easy, fun, and helpful to make your assignments more captivating. Completed Gamis can be saved to the camera roll, emailed, tweeted, or posted to Facebook. Gamis can be mixed in iMovie or App Smashed. Disadvantages. Some features are not available unless you pay for them, and it is limited to users that have a specific smartphone and software. Digital activity security. Users should create a password hard to guess and must not share their password with anyone. Copyright law protects original creative works, so users need permissions and licenses to use the content that is not theirs in the user's context. Thank you for your attention.